SiGMA conferences are all about high-grade networking, traffic opportunities, and a lot of fun, all focused on affiliates in the iGaming niche. We are going to give you an honest overview of the event from the exhibitor's point of view. Hi there! I'm Katerina from Epom, and today I want to share a bit more about our experience on SiGMA conference as exhibitors. And in this video, we are going to uncover what's going on the conference, how to prepare for it, and what you eventually can get. So let's get started and see what makes SiGMA especially exciting. First thing first, who is SiGMA for? If you're expanding into iGaming or betting industries and looking to build partnerships, SiGMA is a great fit. It's where affiliates, operators, online casinos, software, and traffic providers come together to connect and collaborate. The event creates a space for unrestricted conversations, being perfect for industries that often face compliance or advertising challenges. Here's how SiGMA is valuable for different types of visitors. Affiliates and networks get direct access to brands that rely on affiliate marketing. It's the perfect place to connect with big operators in person. Operators and casinos are here for reputation, connecting with trusted affiliates, and finding right software providers to streamline their operations. Traffic sources can showcase their offers, prove ROI, and connect with operators who look for specific solutions. Software providers here present tools for ad serving, media buying, and payment gateways to potential clients. So if you're a company or you as affiliate looking for specific connections in iGaming or betting, this is your shot. SiGMA is also known for endorsing local markets by creating a lot of events around the globe. So for example, if you're looking for a specific geo, you can pick the event that resonates with you. However, if you're looking for a more all-encompassing experience, I would recommend to visit SiGMA in Malta. Now let's talk about how it was set up. SiGMA creates a fully iGaming-focused environment, meaning you won't see other dedicated zones. Unlike bigger events like Affiliate World, SiGMA usually takes over smaller pavilions, which makes it feel cozier and more accessible. The latest SiGMA in Hungary, the floor plan had larger booths in the center and smaller ones on the sides. You could also have a lunch break or relax in one of the sitting areas. Free snacks and coffee were just right there to fill us up all the time. Or even visit a premium lounge if you desire. What's really fun about SiGMA is how creative the big players get beyond just catering. You will get a chance to play real-life casino slots, roulettes, and spinning wheels. Sometimes I even felt like strolling not on the exhibition, but in some open-world casino. It also slightly looked like those nostalgic entertainment centers from the 90s, as you could also play soccer or try winning unexpected prizes in lotteries. The main stage at SiGMA was open to everyone. It had a great mix of keynote speeches, panel discussions, and startup pitches as well. While it was not quite spectacular, it was still decent to visit. This year they covered the usual big topics like regulation, compliance, and banking, but also jumped into some exciting new trends like cryptocurrencies, AI, and Web3 in gaming. There were also panels on affiliate marketing strategies and online casino trends, plus a fun speed dating networking session to help operators and affiliates connect within a short time. But if you're used to larger conferences with more diverse focus on tech and advertising, pitches might feel overly specific and sometimes not even inclusive. For example, several speakers presented themselves not in English, which I find not quite accessible, even if the event has the regional focus. During SiGMA, I recorded some interviews with the insight on media buying in iGaming niche. In our future video, we will definitely share them, and for that, I recommend you to stay tuned. Now let's move on to our experience as exhibitors. With the growing demand for advertising autonomy, we knew that Epom's products, our ad server and white label DSP could bring value to the iGaming industry. SiGMA gave us the perfect chance to connect with the right people in this space. You can see some throwbacks to our times at the booth. So, what did we get out of SiGMA? Here are the highlights. First, we got a unique demand. Our platforms were one of a kind at the conference, so we connected with a few special clients who needed exactly what we offer. Second, we heard client feedback. Meeting existing clients in person was exciting. It gave us both pleasure of finally meeting offline and valuable insights to improve our product. Third, we learned more about industry trends. Going out of our bubble and learning what brands and affiliates are looking for helped us adapt our product strategies. Fourth, it was both fun and a fruitful social experience. We built new relationships and had a great time watching visitors winning prizes at our booth. It was so great to see them surprised and excited. Of course, no event is perfect. There were a few challenges we faced. First, the conference's focus was mostly on quick solutions. Many affiliates at SiGMA want fast, ready-to-go traffic deals, which isn't quite our focus. Second, booth visibility was not the best. Smaller booths like ours can get overshadowed by the big flashy setups. There are also no zones and specializations that might help people find what they need. Third, there was some technical inconvenience. Our booths didn't have enough storage and seating, which made things a little bit tricky at times. Also, it was not separated from other exhibitors, so it felt clumsy to move around and serve visitors. Fourth, the main scene especially needed improvement. The stage was not separated from the crowd, making it harder to focus on the speakers. Also, some of the speeches were overly specific or not inclusive. Yes, it's absolutely worth it if you operate within the iGaming niche. It's packed with insight, it's highly targeted, and it's very specifically oriented on the needs of this industry. But just note that if you're a smaller exhibitor, you might face a little bit of competition for visibility and as well for connections. Soon we will also publish some video about the tips how to prepare for the conference in general as a small exhibitor. So stay tuned and bye-bye. Today, SiGMA is all about the quality of connections and insights, not just quantity. For us at Epom, it was exciting, productive, and definitely worth it.